2.3.2 Artificial methods of asexual reproduction. Artificial methods of asexual reproduction need human assistance to grow new plants. Some of the most significant methods of artificial reproduction are explained below. Cutting is a method where a stem of a plant is inserted into moist soil to form a new root system. This helps in producing new plants. Plants growing through cuttings are rose, grape, etc. Homework 1. Take a rose stem cutting and sow it in the soil to grow a rose plant. Water it daily and keep it at sunny place. Click your plants when new leaves grow. B. Grafting. In the grafting method, new and better quality plants are produced by combining two plants. The stem of a plant having desired qualities is inserted into the other plant having a rooted stem using grafting tape. The plant which is grafted is called a scion, while the rooted plant is called stalk. After a few days of grafting, new cells develop and join the scion and stalk. Thus, the newly growing plant expresses the properties of both grafted plants. Potato and tomato plants can be grafted together. Moreover, plums and apricots are grafted to get plumcot fruit. Grapefruit is also a grafted plant of sweet orange and a kind of lemon. C. Budding. Budding is a technique similar to grafting in which a bud is grafted instead of a stem or root into the slit on another plant, and then both parts are secured together. Over time, a new plant emerges, exhibiting traits of both parent plants. D. Layering. Layering is a method of asexual reproduction in which a part of a plant stem is bent downwards and buried in the soil, allowing it to develop new roots and eventually grow into a separate plant. Sometimes, we use a hook, etc., to keep the plant in the soil. The new plant is then cut from the parent plant and planted in the soil independently. This process is often observed in plants such as jasmine. Scientific advancement. Nowadays, genetic engineering has captured the attention of scientists instead of grafting, as it enables them to create new plant varieties with specific features by inserting genetic information of desired qualities obtained from different species. Examples of such plants include berries that can resist the attack of fungi and vegetables that contain abundant amounts of vitamins. Figure 2.11 Layering process. Homework 2. Coriander can grow through both seeds and cuttings. Plant coriander through both methods at the same time in separate pots, under similar conditions. Observe their growth after a 1-month interval. Compare the results and draw conclusions. Click and paste the pictures of both plants at the end of the project with proper labeling. 2.3.3 Distinguishing features of artificial and natural modes of asexual reproduction. Natural and artificial modes are two aspects of reproduction. However, they have distinguishing features as well. Artificial methods of reproduction. Artificial methods of reproduction involve two parents, thus inducing new and desirable characteristics such as disease resistance, increased yield, or improved quality. They enable plant propagation for species that are difficult to propagate naturally. Adopting artificial methods reduces the risk of disease outbreaks. However, artificial methods of reproduction are laborious and require skills and complete knowledge of the traits of the plant to be used. In conclusion, growing plants through asexual modes give high yields in less time. However, the decision to choose a particular reproductive method should be made based on a thorough understanding of the advantages and disadvantages of each method, as well as the specific needs of the situation at hand. Skill 2.1 Distinguish between artificial and natural asexual reproduction in plants. Distinguishing SS. Differentiation objective, to develop a comprehensive understanding of different asexual reproduction methods in plants, particularly the distinctions between artificial and natural processes. Instructions: scan the given QR code to access the worksheet named as Asexual Propagation Mastery Challenge, and solve it.